Hi everyone, it's Brian Khatambakhsh here with Remax Hallmark and another market update for November 2024. This time I hold back on my report because I wanted the Bank of Canada interest rate cut comes out, and it came out and actually surprised everyone. Well, I shouldn't say it surprised us because I predicted that last month. Remember, I mentioned that you're going to have another zero point 0.5. And that's exactly what happened. Watch to the end of the video again. I'll have another prediction for you for next year that you don't want to miss. So stay tuned to the end. Watch all the way to the end. The sales has gone up more than 40% for the second time in a row. That means the trend has changed, and now we're looking at the sales. What it really means is that the buyer's confidence is going up. They're becoming more and more confident. A lot of people who were sitting on the sideline, they're coming into the mix and start looking at things seriously. The only thing is holding back, and that's actually an opportunity for you, is that the inventory is still about 20-30% more than what it was last year. That means buyers are benefiting from lower interest rates, and they have a buffet because they have a lot many choices in front of them. The days in the market is a little bit longer, so still things are selling. The price have not changed so much. There's a little bit of a seasonality in there as well. What we introduced since last month was that the month of inventory. Last year, this time would have been 3.64 months. Now it's 4.3 months, which is about 18%. Once that's getting there to where it should be, things are going to change. Inventory is the only thing that's still up and it's holding everything back. So, November highlights. Second month in a row, I just mentioned that we had more than 40% growth since last year, same time. Lower borrowing costs affects the affordability because interest rates are going down. Things become more affordable and buyers are gaining confidence. The Bank of Canada dropped the rate by another 0.5. There seems to be more coming. Next year being the election year, they'll want the economy to do really well. The only thing is still the condo market's still in a bit of a flat. And that's because it's oversupplied, nothing else. And that's going to be catching up soon as well. Sometimes next year, our prediction is. There is a small window of opportunity. This is what I've been saying for past month or 40 days, that there is a window of opportunity when interest rates have come down, inventory is still up. I had a couple of buyers this month that were buying, and they bought everything in their own terms and conditions. So they really enjoy. So if this window is closing fast, you better start looking to this market. If you are moving up or you're a first-time buyer, you should be looking at the market right now. Do not wait for next year. These things may not be there in the spring. People keep saying spring, but then guess what? I talked to 10 people, 9 out of 10 say, I'm waiting for spring, I'm waiting for this, waiting for that. These options will not be there, and you'll have more competition when it comes to that time. So, having said that, you must take action as the window is closing really, really rapidly. Here's my prediction. Last month, I predicted that we'll have another 0.5, and it came through. This month, I'm going to tell you something. Next year is going to be a great year in real estate market. As we are closing this year, and we're coming to close, there will be an interesting market because there will not be enough buyer confidence yet, so they can come forward. But the interest rates will go down, and at some point within next year or so, it's going to go up exponentially. So it starts really, really slow, but that will change. I don't know when next year. Remax has predicted 5 to 7% increase, and most of those increase they predicted coming early in the year. My prediction is a little bit more than that. They've always been conservative, and they do it across Canada. But for GTA, which is heart of the Canadian economy, I would say, in Ontario it is, and it's going to be more than that. So whatever you're planning to do, and you keep saying to yourself, based on what you heard in social media, oh, interest rates are high, and I'm waiting for interest rates to come down, you should be looking at these things. If you're thinking of selling your home next year, you should start looking at some of the fixes, some of the things that you need to do, paintings and some other stuff that really increase the value of your home a lot now, because trades are not busy. They can give you a better rate. You can do it while you have time. You don't rush things through and all that stuff. I know it's holidays and everybody thinking about it, but right after the holidays, you should start planning as it does. It's never too early to plan. You can plan as early as possible, and that's what I'm saying. Stay tuned. Until next month, have a safe, happy holidays, and we'll talk to you later. Bye bye.